rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
It's Cuddy Kind of Cut, no crimping, and for today's video, we're gonna be doing a little cook with me. We're gonna be doing a little cook with me video. So I'm gonna make some fries, y'all. We just got some fire wings, but the fries and the garlic noodles, like the size that it came with, those are for me because I don't eat meat. So I'm gonna make them some fries for them to have with their food. Cause yeah. So I just put the oil in there. It wasn't really that much oil in the thing, but I just put the rest of what's left in here. Yeah, let me turn it down. And then these are the fries. So these ones are already seasoned, but when they come out, I'm still gonna put some seasoning on the inside. Yeah. My setup, y'all. So this is where the what is it called? This is where the fries gonna go when they come out the pan. The fries, and I'm just go ahead and throw this away. Okay guys, so I just got a moon pie and I added some more oil to the fire. My auntie said it was not enough. It's good? What is it like? I'm not gonna eat this. You finna spit yours out. Exactly. It tastes good. That's wasting my money. We can do it. Eat it. It stink. What do? It smells like banana pudding. Banana pudding in a package like this. That's not even funny.
I know it is nasty. I just want you to try it.
You see that, Mama? She just made me waste your money. I'm gonna eat it though. Where do you get this from?
Nasty.
This will go good with some ice cream though. I ain't gonna lie. I understand they be trying to starve me.
Can I go to this?
You lying?
You sure can. As a matter of fact, come on, take your place. Cause it's done. So don't come flip flopping here down here. It's
cooking for my YouTube channel.
Oh, do the other one first. And then I'll be off tomorrow so I can do it. Oh, okay,
Okay, y'all. So I just put the second batch in to the fire. So now we're gonna season up the first batch. Let me show you. This is the first batch already done. Second batch. This.
That's enough.
Arian, these are gonna go on top of those, okay? Please. Thank you very much. Oh, so y'all just put on some lemon pepper. Then y'all can't even see me. But I just put some lemon pepper and regular pepper on the fries. And they do look a little over seasoned. But I will be putting the second batch on top of that, so you know it's like gonna like cancel it out. If I can't have you, no one could. I might. Yo, that been on my mind all day. Like,
Can I like? I want
Susan
fries.
really ate with that, like. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just let these cook and. So while those cook, I'm gonna show y'all my fit. Now I can hear can you hold the camera? Just hold it. Yeah. No, just like that. So this is what I wore today. And these are my shoes. They have green in them. Yeah.
Boy, if you don't.
You can't turn her off.
What are you, teenager? What are you doing?
I want fries. Gracias.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cook the rest of what's in here, which is this one. I just got done. Yeah, I just got done. This is the last of the batch. Screaming! Not screaming for real. Arian, rate my fries 1 to 10.
The crunchy. That gives it like an 8. They're seasoned good. That gives it a 10. They're well done. That gives it an 11. So 10 out of 11.
Oh, she's trying to be cute. Thank you, Arian, so much. That's it in today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Let's go!
Give it a big thumbs up. Comment what y'all be cooking at home for y'all family. She's such a hater. But yeah, comment what y'all be cooking for y'all family and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. And on that note, good night. Out.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could